Power up your whiteboards with AI. I means artificial intelligence. Let's try the Canva feature Whiteboard Summary powered by AI. I, like you, will probably be doing this for the first time. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Choosing a whiteboard topic. First, I decide what my whiteboard notes will be about. Just yesterday, I was thinking about a new series that would be fun to write next year. It would be a paranormal academy with a strong romance subplot. Let's go ahead and get to the thoughts I want to summarize afterward. So far, they're swarming rather chaotically in my head. Step 2. Selecting the best whiteboard template in Canva. Canva offers many different pre-made blanks for different types of whiteboards, but I need a very simple one. I want to write down my thoughts and summarize them later. So, I'll pick a new project on Whiteboard and start filling it out with my thoughts. Step 3. Using sticky notes to organize ideas on Canva. I take them right here on the left, and the program itself suggests sticky notes right away, since I'm in the whiteboard section where they are used. I write down everything I can think of about my possible new project on various sticky notes. Warning: my sticky notes will contain many misprints, but this is only the raw brainstorming, so please forgive me. My new romance novel idea is Paranormal Academy. What is terrible about this idea? I have never written paranormal academies with a strong romance subplot. What is good about this idea? I will discover something new and have fun. What shall I do to create the plot for this novel? I should do brainstorming. How does the heroine or the main character get into this academy? Who is on her site at this academy? What challenges does the main character meet there? Why is her love interest there? I entered everything I was thinking of and arranged the sticker notes, so that there was some logic to reading them. Step 4. Summarizing sticky notes with AI. Of course, I'll sort through my sticky notes, but it's better to summarize them. I first combine all the post-it notes into a group to do this. Then, I go to the left bar of the Canva program and click on the symbol with asterisks indicating the application of AI. I choose Summarize from the menu offered and click that button. There, we have the sum of what I wrote about in the scattered sticky notes. Step 5. Refining your summary with new ideas. I want to add another post-it note, finalizing my draft series outline. So now I remove the grouping of the other sticky notes and do it all over again, group them. Select the AI asterisk sign and get a new summary. I removed the previous summation and got the final result, which I am satisfied with. Step 6. Reviewing the final whiteboard summary. I have tackled the new Canva whiteboard summary powered by AI feature. Now, you're ready to move forward with your draft. I wish you good luck with your projects.